Hello everyone, RC Studio back again today. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the carburetor of your nitro engine. I took the cooling head off. You can see that how you do it in a previous video. So the tools you will need are only just a Leatherman. So sometimes you have the cross wrench too, but not always. So here you can see the cylinder. So the first thing you want to do, you can see here the little screw. You just want to take your Leatherman and screw it clockwise, counterclockwise. I mean, sorry. So you don't need to do so much. Then turn a bit, and here you have your carburetor. So it's easy and quick. So please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't like my video, please let me know. And so that was it, guys. So bye.